are getting memory. But if context is tampered with, how would you know? This is verifiable-memory-mcp, a local-first MCP server for append-only agent memory. Remember, stores a memory entry. Each entry gets contentHash, prevHash, entryHash. Verify confirms the memory is intact. The cryptographic chain validates the history successfully. Now I edit the SQLite database directly to simulate an attack. The database content is now altered behind the MCP's back.